Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about DAW hair growth serum. So you should try this product or not, and what are the main problems. So first of all I want to tell you this product is designed for women, okay, and this product comes with minoxidil, and you know very well, minoxidil is a very, you can say, a popular product in today's time related to your hair regrowth, okay, and it will give you good and amazing results for your hair loss related issues, for your thin hair related issues, and if you have any kind of hair fall issues, then minoxidil is a very popular product in today's time. But there are lots of, you can say, myths about this product, or you can say minoxidil, there are some real myths also available, when you use minoxidil for your hair, the results of the minoxidil is temporary, okay, you will not get permanent results, but definitely you will get results, but there are, you can say, some concern, or you can say there are some side effects of minoxidil. Maybe some person will feel some kind of side effects, because I have already used this minoxidil, and I face some issues related to headache. When I apply this you can say minoxidil in my this area, I will feel very pain in my head, and I will feel very stuff and tired, and all these kind of issues I have already faced. So that's why I know minoxidil have some side effects, okay. So the best thing what you can do, you can try the product. If you face some kind of side effect, then you can quit the product, and you need to quit the product for a day, for 2 days or 3 days. Then you need to apply this product once again. Once your body is habitual for using this product, then you can continue, okay. If you don't feel any kind of issues, then you can continue it, but definitely you will get results. If we talk about the results, when you will get results, the results will not come overnight. You have to wait for a long period of time, approx we can say 2 months or 3 months. You have to use this product continuous, and then you will see amazing results of minoxidil, okay. So but the pricing of the product, you can say $40, but there are lots of products also available in the market at a very low price. You should keep this thing in your mind, if you're going to use any product, you need to verify you have 2% minoxidil, okay. So this is information now. Otherwise this is also a good product. You can also try the product, okay, if you have so much money, okay. And if you have any experience, you can also share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will helpful for lots of people also, okay. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.